Hey friends, welcome back. Today this video will learn how to solve this type of algebraic problem, and here we have x raised to the power 6 plus x squared, that is equal to 99 raised to the power 6 plus 99 squared. Then we'll find all values of x. So friend, please subscribe our channel and also give thumbs up to the video. Now here first of all we'll analyze the problem, and if you look at here we have x raised to the power 6 and here also x raised to the power 6. So in the first step we'll try to make all the power 6 in one side. So we'll write x raised to the power 6 and this value will become in the left side. So it will be negative 99 raised to the power 6. Now we'll write x square. So it is plus x square, and this value 99 square we'll take in the left hand side. So it is negative 99 square, and in the right hand side we have 0. Now in the next we'll write x raised to the power 6 as x square and its cube. Likewise negative 99 square and its cube, and we'll write as it is x square minus 99 square, that is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. So it is a cube minus b cube, and its formula is a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So now we'll write this term as, so a means x square, so it is x square minus 99 square, b square means 99 square, now times a square means x square and its square, so it will be x raised to the power 4 plus ab means x square times b means 99 square, so plus b square means 99 square and its square, so 99 raised to the power 4, and now this term we will write as it is. So plus in bracket we will write x square minus 99 square, and this value is equal to 0. Now from here we can take x square minus 99 square common, so x square minus 99 square. So in the bracket we will write x square minus 99 square, this value common, so it is x raised to the power 4 plus x square times 99 square plus 99 raised to the power 4, so here it is plus 1, that is equal to 0. Now here the multiplication of two factors, there is one factor and this one is another factor, is 0. So we can write either x square minus 99 square is 0, and the second factor, that is x raised to the power 4 plus x square times 99 square plus 99 raised to the power 4 plus 1 will be 0. Now here again it is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write either a plus b means x plus 99 times x minus 99 will be equal to 0. Now from here we can calculate x will be, from here this value x will be negative 99, and from here the value of x will be positive 99. So we have calculated here two values of x, that is 99 and negative 99. Now from the second expression we will calculate the value of x. Now this expression we will make in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now in the next we can write x raised to the power 4 as x square and its square, plus we will write it as 2 times ab means 2, a means x square, b means 99 square divided by 2. So here 2 and 2 will be cancelled, so we left with x square and 99 square, that is equal to here. Now plus we will write is b square means 99 square by 2 and its whole square. So 99 raised to the power 4 we have written 99 square divided by 2 and its square, so we have another 3 by 4 times 99 raised to the power 4, and we have plus 1, so plus 1, that is equal to 0. Now it is a square plus 2 times ab, 2ab, and this is plus b square, so it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to a plus b and its whole square. Now we'll write in the next page. So here we have copied down the information of last page. So it is x square, so it is x square plus 99 square divided by 2 and its whole square. So this value up to here. Now we'll write this value. This is 3 by 4 times 99 raised to the power 4 plus 1, that is equal to 0. Now for further calculation, we'll take this all informations in the right hand side. So we can write x square plus 99 divided by 2 and its whole square, that will be equal to negative 3 by 4 times 99 raised to the power 4 plus 1. Now for eliminating this square value, we'll square root the right hand side value. So we can write x square plus 99 by 2. Oh, it is square. So here it is square is equal to plus minus square root negative 3 by 4 99 raised to the power 4 plus 1. Now in the next we can write plus minus the square root of negative is I or iota. So we can write I square root 3 by 4 99 4 plus 1. Now in the next step we'll write this 99 square divided by 2 in the right hand side. So it will be negative. So we can write x square, that is equal to negative 99 square by 2 plus minus iota square root 3 by 4, then 99 raised to the power 4 plus 1. Now from here also we will take out the square value. So we can write the value of x will be plus minus square root negative 99 square divided by 2 plus minus this value iota square root 3 by 4, then 99 raised to the power 4 plus 1. Now from here we have calculated 4 values of x. So here 2 values plus minus, and here also from plus minus 2 values. So total 4 values from here, 4 values from here, and 2 values from previous. So we have calculated 6 values of x. So friends, these are the values of x. So friends, how my video is, give your comment in the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.